product knowledge. Balikan muna tayo ng isang slide. Okay, ayaw na niyang bumalik. Okay, tibali, hayaan mo na, dito na tayo mag-start. Okay, for this afternoon, no, sa product presentation, it's very essential sa pagsisimula ng ating hanap buhay na alam natin kung ano yung business na pinasok natin. No? And as one aspect of the business is the product. No? So it's very essential na naiintindihan natin, alam natin kung ano yung product na ikinikater natin o yung product na binibenta natin. No? And this, dito sa DXN, we always say that your health is our priority. So ngayong hapon na to, i-share ko po sa inyo lahat ng produkto na meron tayo, paano natin ginagawa yung produkto, all the positive and good characteristic of the company, kung bakit kayo ay napakaswerte at kayo ay nandito sa DXN. Okay, I would like to start with this. No? Sabi ng World Health Organization, in the year 2000, ang benta po ng health products or herbal products would be $80 billion. At pagdating ng year 2008, actually nakalipas na ito, no? So, ang benta ng herbal products is $200 billion. And it's expected, pagdating ng 2015, it will be $50 trillion. So you see, people are more conscious, are more aware of their wellness. Kaya ganun kaganda, ganun kalaki yung market for herbal products, no? I don't want to say that the situation that we are in right now is like a blessing to us, no? But alam ko marami sa inyo, marami sa atin ang nakarealize how important your health is or your body is. Kaya madami sa atin ngayon pala nagsastart mag-alaga ng katawan natin. And we're very lucky because nandito tayo sa isang wellness company na makakapagbigay sa atin ng mga produkto na ating kailangan para manatiling healthy ang ating katawan, and of course, opportunity for us to be wealthy at the same time. Okay, so this is product range, a whole product range natin. We have food supplements, we have food and beverages, we also have our personal care products, and of course, yung ating home or household care products, no? Majority of these products contains Ganoderma as its main ingredient. At yung iba naman po, it's an added premium or dagdag lamang na ingredient dun sa kanilang content, no? Dito sa ating presentation for today, we will be able to, I'll try my best to discuss each and every product that we have. And of course, yung mga paano natin ito ibebenta or ipoposition sa market. As of last year, we already have around 90 products. But every year na we're very lucky na patuloy ang development ng produkto ng ating kumpanya. Kaya lagi tayong nadadagdagan ng mga bagong products. So, last year, this 2020, marami na naman tayong nilaunch na product. And this coming 2021, meron na naman. So, we would always be expectant sa maraming magagandang product na inihahandog ng company para sa atin. Alright. For this afternoon, we will be learning about the differentiation strategy. What are the special features of the products? Ano yung iba't ibang food theories, no, na meron para alam natin kung anong product yung kakailanganin natin. And it would also give us the knowledge on how to position the product for well-being and how to create the demand. No? That's the most important thing. No? Pag alam niyo po yung ano yung benefits at yung ganda ng produkto, alam natin kung paano siya i-position sa ating mga customers. This is our way to create the demand. Right, we'll start with the differentiation strategy. Okay. To be able to sell our products, no, we should be familiar with the differentiation strategies. Okay. There are different categories of consumers. Maraming klase ng consumer. No? May mga consumer na ang tinitignan, una presyo, may tumitingin sa dami, no? Quantity versus quality or quality versus quantity. Meron tumitingin kung imported ba o hindi yung product, no? But it says here there are only two extreme groups in between these categories. Okay, so, of these types of consumers, it only boils down to two types, no? Yung tumitingin sa presyo at yung tumitingin sa quality. No? So, dito sa DXN, we're very lucky because our products are low price and high quality. No? But, of course, yung ibig sabihin ng quality, hindi tayo lang dapat yung nagbibigay ng assurance doon. No? It has to come from another person or another party. Kasi syempre, of course, kung tinda mo, sasabihin mo maganda, diba? High quality. Pero mas maganda kung if we have somebody else who would say that your products are of high quality. That's why, ito, titignan niya, what is the difference between DXN products and the products of other company? No? Ang mga produkto po natin, or even our farm, or even our system, are all ISO certified. So, ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng ISO? No? ISO stands for International Organization for Standardization. Okay, so, ano ibig sabihin nun? This is an independent, non-governmental, international organization that develops standards, okay, to ensure the quality, the safety, and the efficiency of products, services, and system. Okay, ito po yung pagmamalaki natin. DXN is ISO 2001 certified. This is a certification given because of the administration. Maganda yung yung administration ng kumpanya. We also have the ISO 14001. This is a certification because of our organic production, o yung ating farm. Merong ISO 14001 yung ating farm. And recently, we were given the ISO 17025. Ito naman po is yung kagandahan ng quality control ng ating laboratory o yung ating manufacturing plant. So you see, sa products pa lang po, meron na tayong tatlong ISO na maipagmamalaki. And that doesn't stop there, no? Meron din po tayo ng GMP or Good Manufacturing Practice. At hindi lang yan sa isang bansa, no? We have a GMP in Malaysia, in Indonesia, India, and Australia. So, ito pong mga qualities ng product ng DXN, talagang kayang-kaya natin ipagmalaki that all our products are of high quality. Okay? Next, what are the special features of DXN product? Kasama po natin yan. We say that we have the one dragon concept or one total company. We also have the unique production technology. Our products are all fast-moving and highly consumable. And we could say na talagang ang ating mga produkto po ay trend-setting, no? Dito sa Pilipinas, kung matatandaan nyo, we are the first company to introduce healthy coffee. Ang Pilipinas, ang DXN ang unang-una na-introduce sa healthy coffee noong 1999. And during that time, nagsimulang maggayahan, even yung mga retail companies like branded coffee, nag-produce din sila ng mga kape na may Ganoderma. Yun nga lang, hindi nila natagalan, no? And tayo yung nangibabaw sa pagbebenta ng healthy coffee. Okay. Now, we have a very unique production technology, no? Yung sinasabi natin, we have one total company. Why do we say it's one total company? DXN is the one that cultivates. So, meron po tayong sarili nating farm kung saan tinatanim yung mga ingredients na kailangan sa ating mga produkto. DXN also has its pharmaceutical. The pharmaceutical is the one that manufactures or produces yung mga products. Sila po yung responsible na pagdating sa atin ng produkto, nakabote na, no? Ready for us to use or ready for us to sell. And tayo, as the distributors, is the one that is responsible for distributing the product. So there is no third party involved. So, tingnan, isipin niyo po, no? Bakit nagbigay ng too much effort at nag-invest ng ganito kalaki si Dr. Lim para lang ma-achieve yung one total company. It is because of its yung kanyang one dragon concept. Which first, he wanted to control the quality. Gusto pa ni Dr. Lim, every time iinom tayo ng capsule natin ng RG and GL, pareho lang kagaya nung ininom natin the first time. The quality would not change. Okay? He also would want to control the cost para hindi tayo subject to other yung mga pagkakataon na may mga kulang-kulang, no, na the supplier would demand a higher price. Hindi tayo masyado affected sa ganun because we produce everything. He also does the research and the development of our own products. No? Meron po tayong sarili nating research na si Dr. Lim personally ang supervise. That's why we are assured na yung products po na ibinibigay nila sa atin ay lahat na pag-aralang maigi. And of course, yung na-ensure yung maximum payout natin. No? As distributors, tayo po yung pinakamaganda, yung receiving end nitong characteristic ng One Dragon concept na to. No? 40% lamang ang inilalaan para sa manufacturing cost and 60% goes out to us. The marketing, the advertisements, and the outlets saved for bonus payments. Sino ba yung advertisers? Sino ba yung endorsers? Di ba tayo din? So, every time we endorse, every time we recommend the product, ending lang tayo rin yung magandang kikita. So, yung balik nun yung 60%, it all goes back to us. Okay, ano yung unique sa ating product, no? How are our products made? There are 6 steps in the unique cutting-edge production technology that is intended to ensure the preservation of nutrients found in Ganoderma at a very high concentration. No, so ito po yung tissue culture, ito yung organic cultivation, cold processing, fiber separation, microspore powderization, at yung ultraviolet treatment. Sige, isa-isahin po natin yan para mas maintindihan natin. Okay, what is tissue culture? Okay. Tissue culture is a method that allows the reproduction of 1 million pieces of Ganoderma from a single mother plant. So ito pa nakikita niyo yung Ganoderma, ito yung ating Ganoderma. Okay. From one Ganoderma, because of the tissue culture that was perfected by Dr. Lim, nakaka-produce po to ng 1 million pieces of Ganoderma. So ganun kadami yung nagagawa natin, no? It also ensures the retention of the genetic value o yung magandang benefits ng produkto na maiiwan sa ating katawan. No? When they cultivate, when they produce the Ganoderma, they ensure na kung ano yung meron sa isa, meron din doon sa marireproduce na bago. Okay, number 2 is organic cultivation. 100% natural organic farming tayo. No chemicals, no pesticides, no fertilizers used. This is because we would want to maintain yung natural values ng produkto o ng ating product or the Ganoderma itself or even the other products that we have. No? Then it undergoes cold processing. Okay. Heat is not used in order to preserve the active ingredients of Ganoderma and other properties of the ingredients. In other words po, hindi dumadaan sa init yung ating mga product. It undergoes cold processing. Kasi kapag nainitan ang isang herb or gulay or prutas, alam naman natin nababawasan yung sustansya noon. Kaya Dr. Lim was able to develop its own cold processing method para na-preserve lahat ng magandang nutrients na makukuha natin from the Ganoderma. Then our product undergoes a fiber separation. So fiber and spores are separated due to varying nutrient concentration. The spores, which has the highest concentration of nutrients, is used for the main supplements like the RG and the GL. The fibrous portion is used for other products like the coffee and the personal care line. Alright, kapag na-harvest po yung Ganoderma, it undergoes a fiber separation process. Yung pinong-pino, yun po yung inilalagay nila sa capsule. Yung hindi nadudurog maigi, yan po yung nilalagay nila sa kape. O yung tinatawag natin latak, no? Yan yung nilalagay nila sa kape, nilalagay nila sa shampoo, sa toothpaste. Kasi sometimes, if you're going to notice yung ating lychee coffee, meron parang malalaking puti buo-buo. Pag binuhos niya, pag nalagyan niya na ng tubig, at minsan may natitira doon sa ilalim, no? Yun po yung Ganoderma na hindi nadurog maigi. Okay? Kaya yung durog na durog, ito po yung nilalagay nila sa ating capsules. Now, that's another part of the technology, no? Yung microspore powderization. Ano yung advantage nun? No? The microspore, the spore is micropowdered, and filled into capsule. Kapag tinry niyo pong buksan yung ating capsule, no? Yung, lalo na yung GL, tapos hawakan niyo, you would feel na sobra siyang pino. It's very, very fine. No? Why is it, anong kaibahan nun, anong kagandahan kapag sobrang pino? Kasi po, mas mabilis ma-absorb ng katawan natin, but it's super fine. Kaya nakalagay dito, ensures the high nutrient absorption. So, mas marami pong na-absorb na nutrient yung katawan natin kapag durog na durog yung Ganoderma. And last step is it undergoes an ultraviolet treatment to enhance the effect. No? Base po sa nakita namin dun sa farm, kapag naka-capsule na po yung RG and GL, dumadaan po yan sa parang UV light. So that's another step in our unique production technology, and that is to enhance the effect of the product. Okay? Now, why do we need to create the demand? No? Alam ko marami dito sa atin, we joined DXN not just for the product, but also because we would also want to earn from the products, or we also would want to try the business aspect of DXN. Sabi kasi dito, to increase the bonus, para lumaki yung kita mo, kailangan lumaki yung benta mo. Okay? Para lumaki yung benta mo, kailangan you have to know how to create the demand. At para maka-create ka ng demand, you have to know the products well, no? For example, sa kwentuhan lamang, sasabihin sa'yo nung kausap mo, ako nga, anemic ako eh. So, alam mo na kung ano dapat yung, pag sinabi niya ganun yung sitwasyon niya, alam mo na dapat kung ano yung i-recommend mong product, no? So, anemic, so dapat ganito, spirulina. So, that's another aspect kung bakit dapat alam niyo po yung ating mga produkto, no? Using food theories to create demands of the product would increase your sales and your bonus. Now, there are different kinds. Okay. How to siya na okay. Mag-science muna po tayo ng kaunti. Okay. Our body is made up of trillions of cells. Right? A group of cells is called a tissue. A group of tissue is called an organ. A group of organs is called a system. So, ang katawan po natin is composed of different systems. We have the circulatory system, the central nervous system, the respiratory system. No? Iba-iba po yung trabaho ng organs ng katawan natin, but they have to work as one. Okay? I usually compare this sa isang orchestra. Iba-iba ng tunog, iba-ibang instrument, iba-ibang tunog, pero kapag tumugtog sila, it plays a wonderful harmony. So, ganun po yung sistema ng ating katawan. Each organs or each system has its own work, pero they have to work together for our body to achieve health, para maging healthy yung ating body. Now, what do we supply our body? Cells cannot survive if they don't eat well and if they don't excrete well, no? Excuse me. Kapag hindi natin nabibigay yung tamang sustansya ng katawan natin at hindi natin natatapon yung basura ng katawan natin, nagsisimula magkaroon ng problema yung ating mga cells, no? So our cells needs oxygen and nutrition to provide energy to our body so that our body would have the ability to detoxify the waste. Okay. Kailan nagkakaroon nagkakaroon ng problema? O kailan nagsisimula magkaroon ng problema ang katawan natin? I know all of you would agree with me that our body was made perfect by God, no? Ang madalas, tayo na po yung nagkakaroon ng, nagbibigay ng problema sa ating katawan. Now, what are the different ways or yung mga iba't ibang bagay kung bakit nagkakaroon ng problema yung ating body? First is toxins. Yan. Ano ba yung toxin? Toxin is anything in excess in our body, no? Anything na hindi kailangan sobra sa ating katawan ay tinatawag na toxin, no? This may come from excessive eating, sobrang maalat, sobrang matamis, sobrang mataba, okay? And even dun sa chemicals na pinakain natin such as preservatives, additives, coloring, no? And actually hindi lang po pagkain ang toxin, no? Marami pang ang air natin sometimes is also toxin already kapag hindi malinis. Yung exposure natin to UV light, to sunlight, no? But anything that is in excess would be considered as toxin for our body. Then we have the free radicals. Ano ba yung mga free radicals? These are molecules that contribute to many different diseases. They are created when our body breaks down food or through pollution and radiation. The damage caused by the free radicals can result to a wide range of illnesses and chronic illnesses, including cancer. Okay. Another problem is stress. Siguro naman po, hindi ko na kailangan is-stress kung gaano kasama ang stress sa ating katawan. Okay? Ano ba ang nangyayari sa ating katawan kapag tayo ay nasa stress? Our body secretes a hormone called cortisol, and if in excess, cortisol becomes fatal to our body, no? Marami pong stress factors sa ating buhay. Alam ko hindi natin yan maiiwasan. And usually these are part of the problem kung bakit tayo ay nagkakasakit, no? Sometimes we only need to pray, we only need to look at the positive side of things para makontra natin yung stress. Do you agree with me? Ayan, agree. Sabi ni Mr. agree. Okay, modern lifestyle is also another cause of problem, no? We disrupt the normal function of our system. Hindi ko makain sa tamang oras, kahit nagbibigay na ng signal yung katawan natin na kailangan na niya magtapon ng basura, hindi natin sinusunod kasi meron pa tayong kakausapin, namamadali tayo, no? So, the normal way of our body changes because of our lifestyle. Late nang matulog, laging puyat, maagang gumigising kasi kailangan ng trabaho, no? So, this way, mga ganitong pamumuhay po, nagbibigay ng kumbaga, it takes toll in our body and eventually nagkakaproblema po yung ating katawan. Actually, if you're going to look at Facebook, no, maraming mga testimonies or maraming mga kwento ngayon na because of overuse of gadgets o yung mga sobrang nahihilig sa mga games, no, na hindi na sila halos sa tulog, hindi na halos sa kakakain. So these are the modern lifestyles that are rampant nowadays, that are taking a toll even on younger people, no? Mga bata pa, teenagers pa nagkakasakit na dahil po sa modern lifestyle. Another problem is the eating habit, no? Either konti yung kinain, sobrang dami yung kinain, masyadong mabilis nung kumain, or wala nang time kumain. Tama po ba? Yung iba nalilipasan ng gutom kasi walang oras. Yung iba naman sobrang dami ng kinain. O yung iba naman ang kinakain hindi nakakabili sa katawan. Okay, so these are mga paraan para magka-problema yung ating katawan. No? Another one is malnutrition. It means, malnutrition means lack of proper nutrition. So it can be caused by not having to eat enough, not eating enough of the right food, or being unable to use the food that one does eat, no? So, ang malnutrition kasi is, depende po sa kinakain ng tao. Minsan, ang kumakain nga, pero yung kinakain, wala namang sustansya. So, wala ding nabibigay na ganda sa ating katawan yung ating mga pagkain. If you're going to look at some of the posts, yung mga vices, o yung mga excessive ng high cholesterol, high sugar na food, eventually this will take toll on our body. Magkakaroon po ng problema yung ating mga katawan kapag hindi natin ito inalagaan. Then there's the no time, no money, no time syndrome. No? Sometimes, alam na natin kung ano yung problema, pero we always make this as an excuse para hindi natin gawin yung tama. Yung sabihin, wala akong pera ngayon eh. Alam mong kailangan mong uminom, alam mong kailangan mong i-take itong product na to, pero wala kang pera, wala kang time. So, eventually, yung time na ang hahabulin mo kapag ikaw ay nagka-problema. But one thing that we should be happy about, part of the solution para maging maganda ulit ang ating katawan is the DXN products, which will help to provide the best support that we have, no? Na maibibigay niya sa ating katawan. Supplements po ang ating products, no? Meaning, it is an additional from the usual or what we are supposed to be eating. So, supplemental, pandagdag. Okay? Hindi po ito yung main na pagkain. This will just help our body fill in yung kulang na nakukuha natin sa mga dapat natin kinakain tama. As a summary, our body consists of cells, bundles of cells. The body is like a car, kailangan din po yung inaalagaan. Maraming torture or maraming mga pahirap ang pinagdadaanan ng ating katawan, no? And it is fighting against the garbage within. So, yung mga toxins sa katawan natin, ang katawan po natin kasi, ang goal niyan is to keep you alive. So, if you eat something that's not good for you and your immune system is healthy, unang gagawin po ng katawan nyo is ilabas yan. Kaya let's say nakakain kayo ng hindi maganda, let's say panis or masisira na, initial reaction of your body is magsuka kayo. Tama ba? So it means your body would want to remove yung mga basura sa katawan nyo. But sometimes if yung basura is sobrang dami na, no, hindi na niya kaya, it starts to lose the battle. Hindi naman masasabi ng katawan natin sa atin kung ano yung mismong problema niya. Though it would give a signal. Ngayon, sakit ng ulo, sakit ng katawan, nagsastart kayong mag-dry up yung lalamunan nyo. No, these are signals that your body is sending na merong nangyayari sa body mo. And that it needs support. So the DXN products that we have would provide the best support na kailangan ng inyong katawan to keep you healthy for a long time. Okay? Ano ba yung kailangan ng ating katawan? To basic information, of course, ang kailangan ng katawan natin ay pagkain. Okay? But most importantly, kailangan natin makuha yung nutrients o yung sustansya doon sa pinakain natin. Okay? There are two kinds of nutrition. There's the macronutrition. Ito yung tinuro sa atin nung tayo ay nasa elementary, yung parang food pyramid. If you would remember, no, there's the carbohydrates, the proteins, fiber, and of course water. Very important, yung tubig, lalo na sa panahon ngayon na medyo mainit-init. How many glasses of water do you drink? Dati ang turo sa atin is 8 glasses of water. But now, ayan, si Miss Flor, inom ng inom. Ang sarap na iniinom ni Miss Flor. We have to drink 8 to 12 glasses of water, at least 2 liters of water a day. Okay? Carbohydrates, nakukuha po natin yan sa mga kinakain natin. Filipino diet is very rich in carbohydrates. Mahilig tayo sa pasta, kanin, tinapay. Kailangan din po ng katawan natin ng protein, which we get from our meat. Kailangan din ng fat and fiber. Ito pong 5 nutrients na to, macronutrients na to. These are the one that gives energy to our body. And to support the macronutrients, there's also the micronutrients. Okay, these are the vitamins, the minerals, trace element, enzyme, phytonutrients, chlorophyll, no? na nag-i-enable sa cells natin na makuha ito from the macronutrients. Okay? Hindi pwedeng wala ang isa, no? We need the macronutrients and the micronutrients together. Okay. Now that we know that kung ano yung pinagdadaanan ng ating katawan and paano natin matutulungan yung katawan natin na maging healthy, okay, let me introduce to you the main star of DXN. Kasi sinasabi natin main star because most of our products contains Ganoderma. Ito yung parang pinaka-bida sa lahat. Okay? Ganoderma lucidum is the red mushroom that provides both macro and micronutrients to our cell. Okay? Ganoderma lucidum, na makikita nyo, characteristic niya, Gano means bright, Derma means skin, Lucidum means shiny. It's also known as the king of herbs, the elixir of immortality, the herb of spiritual potency, the herb of deathlessness, and the soup of the emperor with 1,000 mistresses. No? So, hindi po bagong discovery ang Ganoderma. It has been used from 2,000 years ago. No? Tagal na pong ginagamit itong Ganoderma that even the emperors believe that the Ganoderma would keep them alive for a very long time. Kaya tinatawag siyang the herb of deathlessness. It contains more than 400 elements with polysaccharides, organic germanium, adenosine, triterpenoids, and ganoderic essence. It has been used in the traditional Asian medicine for thousands of years, providing both nutritive and health benefits to the human body. It may be beneficial to the immune system, the cardiovascular system, and the reproductive system, and may help treat a variety of conditions. Okay. So, umpisahan po natin kay RG. RG stands for Reishi Gano. This is the Ganoderma lucidum na pinatubo or they let it grow and harvested it on the 90th day. So, 90 days old po ito. Ito yung tinatawag na medyo matanda na mushroom. Reishi Gano is very rich in triterpenoids, adenosine, and polysaccharides. Okay, what is polysaccharide? Let me give you a little brief explanation. Polysaccharide acts as the cleanser and the detoxifier. It is a carbohydrate that exhibits anti-tumor, anti-mutagenic, o ibig sabihin yung kumakalat, no? Anti-coagulant, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antiviral. Okay? So that is the polysaccharide. Siya yung cleanser and detoxifier. Triterpenes is the builder. Okay? It's balance. It is the bitter taste in the RG. No? Kapag tinanggal niyo po sa capsule yung RG, mapait po siya. No? And that is because of the triterpenes. It is an antioxidant. An antioxidant is a substance that removes potentially damaging oxidizing agents in a living organism. It prevents or slows down damage to cell caused by free radicals. Adenosine is the regulator. It regulates the body's hormonal functions, boosts energy level, and fights off stress. It exerts a calming and sedative effect. Overall, RG is for detoxification. It improves circulation and metabolism. Okay. Isa po sa characteristic ng Ganoderma is yung kanyang screening benefit, no? So, once na uminom po kayo ng RGGL, tinitignan na niya, scanning, no? Sorry, hindi screening, scanning. It has that scanning effect, no? So, as soon as you start drinking Ganoderma, tinitignan na po nung Ganoderma kung saan kailangan ng katawan mong magtapon una. That's why your body would start to experience detoxification agad-agad. No? Iba-ibang level ng pagtanggal ng basura. Merong ibang mild, merong iba medyo severe or mas mabilis yung pagtapon ng basura sa kanilang katawan. Pero wag po kayong matatakot because it's a way that you would see na nag-work yung Ganoderma or the Reishi Gano into your body. Ano ba yung mga mild, no? Pwedeng yung dating hindi pinagpapawisan, biglang pagpapawisan. Pwedeng nagmumuta bigla yung mata. Pwedeng biglang sinisipon, no? So, depende po kung ano yung abusong ginawa ninyo sa katawan ninyo. Doon magsa-start mag-detoxify yung inyong body. Ako pa, just like to share a bit, no? When I started drinking RG, in 1 week's time po, naglabas ako ng kidney stones. That was my main problem nung nag-start ako uminom ng RGGL. So, ako parang I was so amazed kasi bakit yun agad yung nangyari sa katawan. That was my main problem. And habang pinag-aaralan yung Ganoderma, doon ko narinig sa turo ni Dr. Lim na merong scanning effect. So, the Ganoderma would work kung saan siya unang kailangan. And it would start to detoxify your body. Okay? So, kapartner po ni RG ay si DL or si Ganocilium. Ito naman po yung 14 days old. So, ito ay isang bubot. No? Kaya nakalagay dito, it's the reproductive element or the vegetative structure of the fungi which can then form into a fruiting body of a mushroom. So, siya yung bubot. No? Yung parang punla. No? After 14 days, it will be harvested. And the benefits that our body is going to get from the 14-day-old mushroom is, ito po yung makukuha natin from the Ganocilium. It has organic germanium, ganoderic essence, polysaccharides also, vitamins, and mineral. So what is organic germanium? Organic germanium is a very powerful antioxidant, no? Ito rin po yung meron ang garlic. Garlic is also known to be a very good antioxidant. Okay? It is a substance that helps strengthen bones and the immune system. It improves oxygen supply to the brain cells, reduces cholesterol levels and blood pressure, stabilizes blood sugar, and improves the heart and the liver function. Ganoderic essence naman keeps our skin healthy. Overall, GL is the balancer. It improves blood circulation to the brain and regenerates the body's cells and organ. So, kilala po natin si GL as the brain tonic, di ba? Kaya nga, we recommend it for children, yung mga bata, lalo na yung mga nagsastart pa na mag-develop ang kanilang mga brain. We give the GL, aside from it being matamis, no? Kaya hindi mabigay yung RG sa mga bata kasi mapait. But the GL is more on the sweet side kasi nga bata pa siya, 14 days lang siya compared to sa 90-day-old, no? So GL is very good that acts as a brain tonic na nakakatulong siya for brain development. So partner po sila, mag-asawa sila, lagi sila dapat magkasama pag iniinom. We take RG and GL together. Okay? Ganoderma is also a powerful adaptogen. Sabi yan ni Dr. Hans Selye, who is a Nobel Prize winner. Si Dr. Selye, I'll give you a brief background. Siya yung nag-study ng effect ng stress sa human body. According to him, Ganoderma is a very powerful adaptogen. Ano ba yung adaptogen? Adaptogenic food is anything that is natural, that even for a long use, kahit matagal natin siya gamitin, it would not give any adverse effect on the body. So as an adaptogen, Ganoderma is non-toxic, it's not limited to special organs or tissues, and it has an overall normalizing effect. I'd just like to share with you para mas maintindihan niyo po kung ano ibig sabihin ng adaptogen. We've been with DXN for 21 years, going on 22 years this November. Nung nagsimula po kaming dito sa DXN, ang daddy ko po, si Eric Dumlao, siya yung talagang believe dito sa RG, sa Ganoderma. And because after a year of being here with DXN, he discovered that he has problems sa prostate. No? So, hindi siya nag-take ng kaunti, even at the start, no? Nag-start siya, nag-megadose siya. Yung sinasabi po natin megadose, ito yung 30 pairs a day. No? So, mula noon hanggang ngayon, hindi po umiinom ng 1 or 2 pairs a day ang daddy ko. His minimum usually is 4 to 6 in a day. So, kung titingnan nyo sa dami, madaming na siyang nainom. And every time that he's going to have a general check-up, doctors will be amazed at his kidney. Kasi at his age na 78, napakaganda ng kidneys niya. And one doctor that nakausap namin na tumingin sa kanya is nagsabi na talagang maganda yung product ng DXN. Kasi for 21 years na tinitake na ni Brother Eric, wala siyang adverse reaction sa kanyang kidneys. Normally kasi yung mga food supplements to po, dahil may mga iba't ibang halo, kahit paunti-unti, but if you're taking it for a long period of time, it's going to take a toll on your kidney and on your liver. So doon ko napatunayan na talagang ang ating RG and GL is all natural. Purong-puro 100% ang laman. Okay? Alright. Next, what is the difference between the drug and the Ganoderma? Okay. Ang drugs po, o yung mga gamot na nabibili natin over the counter, as we all know, is chemical or synthetic. Okay. Ganoderma is natural because it's a food. No? Isa po siyang pagkain. It's a mushroom. Okay. Kadamihan po ng drugs, meron side effect. Samantalang si Ganoderma, when we say ailment reflection, this is just like yung detoxification na sinasabi natin. No? Kung ano yung problema ng katawan mo, once the Ganoderma starts functioning in your body would correct the problem. Okay? The drug would, ang end point po ng drug, a cure. Okay? Pagagalingin ka. Ganoderma would prevent na magkasakit yung katawan mo. Drug is target specific. Okay, so ibig sabihin, kapag masakit ang ulo mo, kailangan mong inaming gamot is pang masakit na ulo. Kasi hindi mag-work yung pang masakit sa ulo sa LDL. Correct? Okay, so wherein ang Ganoderma is overall normalizing effect in the body. So it's for the overall body. Ang drug ay para sa may sakit. Ang Ganoderma is for body wellness, para manatiling healthy ang ating katawan. Ang drug is isang klase ng human technology. It's developed. No? Pinagsasama-sama tinitesting para makapag-produce sila ng specific na gamot. Wherein si Ganoderma is a natural technology. Galing sa Diyos, tumubo, pinatubo, okay? So it's natural. Ang drug ay single element, a single molecule, wherein Ganoderma contains more than 400 elements. Ang drug, merong overdose. Okay. Ang Ganoderma po, I'm sorry to say, wala po siyang overdose. That's why tayo ay meron yung guarantee, product warranty, no? Any usage, any consumption. That's why we discourage actually yung tanong na, may diabetes ako, ilan ang iinumin ko? Nasakit ako sa puso, ilan ang iinumin ko? No? Ganoderma is a food. Pwede kayong kumain ng madami, pwede kayong kumain ng konti. Ang importante ay kumakain kayo. These are the different theories. Okay? We have the acidic versus alkaline theory. We have the enzyme theory. We have the green theory. And what is good for your stomach is good for your face theory. Let's start with the first one. Acidic versus alkaline. Okay. Normal diet ng isang tao should be 80% alkaline, 20% acidic. Ano-ano ba yung acidic food? Acidic are the meat, soft drinks, processed food, sugar, pork, alcohol, no? Alkaline food naman is more of the vegetables, the fruits, yung natural na pagkain. So, let's assess ourselves. Nakukuha ba natin yung 20% acidic food at 80% alkaline food sa araw-araw nating diet? I don't think so. Madami sa atin, mas marami ang acidic food kaysa sa alkaline food. No? Too much acidity in the body, yung tinatawag na acidosis. No? It can cause a variety of health problems and chronic diseases. Since hindi naman natin kayang, I don't know, yung iba, alam ko nagtatry sila na mag 20% acidic, 80% alkaline. But for those majority na hindi naman nakakagawa nito, okay, we have alkaline food, no? Yung DXN products po na rich in alkaline na pwede makatulong sa ating katawan. We have the RG and the GL. We have the Spica tea. We have the Lingxi coffee, spirulina, and morinxi. Okay, na-discuss ko na po sa inyo kanina yung RG and GL. We will discuss later about the beverages, the morinxi, and the spirulina. I will focus on the Spica tea. Spica tea is a herbal tea blended of 5 natural herbs that helps improve our immune system. It is a mucolytic. It has a mucolytic action. Ano yung mucolytic? Yung pantanggal ng plema. It has that mint flavor that refreshes the body. Okay. Ang paggamit po ng Spica tea, yung isang tea bag, pinapakuluan po sa 1 litro ng tubig. Okay. Hindi po siya yung kagaya ng usual tea na dinidip lang sa hot water. No. You boil it together with a liter of water. Tapos yung na-boil mo na yun, pwede mo i-take hot or pwede na mo rin siyang gawing cold, no? Kung ano yung gusto mong timpla. And you can drink that for the whole day. Napaganda ng ating Spica tea for those with respiratory problem. For beverages that is rich in alkaline, we have the Spica tea and the coffee. Dadaanan po natin yung coffee mamaya. Okay, next we have the enzyme-free. Okay, marami sa ngayon ang very popular or very common yung diabetes. Okay. And ang assumption natin usually is yung diabetes ay namamana. Okay. Kapag yung nanay may diabetes o yung tatay may diabetes, parang we expect that it's going to be normal. Tayo magkaka-diabetes din. No? But that's just one factor. Okay. Diabetes is only the result. Okay. Diabetes is caused by the malfunction of the pancreas. It does not secrete enough insulin to process the sugar intake. And that is because of the digestive problem. We experience digestive problem because of the food that we eat. Yeah. And since our usual diet is more on cooked food, sometimes overcooked food, ang ending po nun, ang pagkain natin ay kulang sa enzymes. We have enzyme-rich XN products. Kaya andyan po ulit ang RGGL, ang spirulina. We have the Morinzyme and the Cordipine. Okay. I'd like to stress a little bit on the Cordipine. Okay. It's a combination of high-quality cordyceps. Okay. Ang cordyceps po ay isang klase ng caterpillar mushroom, regarded as one of the most expensive mushrooms available. Ang kasama po ng Cordipine, kasama ng cordyceps sa Cordipine is yung pinya, no? Pineapple juice, no? It's naturally fermented pineapple juice. Ang kasama po actually doon is yung bromelain, which is the enzyme popularly found in the skin and in the stem. Normally, ang pinya, kinakain po natin yung katawan, di ba? Yung balat, tinatapon. Yung gitna, yung iba kinakain, yung iba hindi. No? But the bromelain or the enzyme in the pineapple is the one in the middle. Yung nasa gitna, yung matigas na ayaw natin, na sinasabi natin makate. No? Andoon po yung enzyme, which is very good for digestion, believed to have an anti-inflammatory effect, which might help interfere in the growth of tumor cells. Yan. Meron din po tayo isang bagong enzyme-rich product, yung ating Lignopine. Okay? Si Lignopine naman po is also, kasama rin po niya ay mushroom, yung tiger's milk mushroom, together with yung component ng Lignopine. Ganon din si Morinxi. Okay, dadaanan natin pag-alalan natin si Morinxi later. Okay? Then we also have the green tea. Okay. Our blood cells dies naturally after 120 days. It needs to reproduce. If our body is healthy, then that is not a problem. Magpuproduce siya ng panibagong dugo. But sometimes there is a slowing down in the reproduction that is because of a problem in the spleen, in the liver, and in the kidney functions. One familiar condition is anemia, or yung anemic, kung sinabing anemic, di ba? It has a low number of RBC, and this is because of the decrease or the faulty production of the red blood cells. So kapag may problema po tayo sa dugo, ano yung kailangan natin i-take? We have spirulina. Spirulina comes in 3 forms. Meron po tayong capsule, meron candy, and meron cereal. Spirulina is one of the richest and most complete source of nutrients in the world. It is a blue-green algae, that is a free radical neutralizer. It contains concentrated form, actually every nutrient in our body, kailangan ng katawan natin. It's very rich in chlorophyll. It comes in capsule, cereal, and tablet form. It can be taken by the young and the adult. An example of a nutrient pack, kung gaano ka siksik sa nutrients ang spirulina. For a 12 tablet na spirulina, para po kayong kumain, yung vitamin A na makukuha ng body ninyo is katumbas na para kayong kumain ng 225 na apples or uminom ng 14 bottles of milk. Ang vitamin B1 na makukuha ninyo is para kayong kumain ng 8 piraso ng sardinas or kumain ng 4 na bowl ng rice. Okay? Yung vitamin B2 na makukuha po ng katawan nyo is like eating 210 pieces of grapes or 2 whole potatoes. Ang vitamin C naman po is like eating 5 oranges. Vitamin B12 is like eating 120 grams of cheese. Vitamin E is like drinking 7 glasses of milk and 2 whole chicken. Kaya niyo po bang kainin lahat ng yan sa isang araw lamang? Hindi natin kaya kainin yan, di ba? But if we take 12 tablets of spirulina, ganong kadaming sustansya yung makukuha ng katawan natin with just 12 pieces of spirulina. So that's how important spirulina is in our everyday life. Sino ba yung mga dapat umiinom ng spirulina? Yung mga bata na hindi pa masyado nakakakain ng mga masustansyang pagkain like gulay, or yung mga picky na bata, yung mga mapili na sa pagkain, okay? Hanggang dun sa mga lumalaki na teenagers or even yung mga nagtatrabaho na they cannot eat on time or kadalasan na nakakain po nila ay yung mga hindi naman masustansyang pagkain. And even those yung sa may edad na, lalo na po yung may sakit na very limited na yung pwede nilang kainin. Kahit hindi sila nakakakain, but if they are taking the spirulina, they provide the nutrient na kailangan ng katawan nila. Okay, so that's how important spirulina is. What do you get from spirulina? It's a complete source of food. It contains good quality protein, good quality carbohydrates, good quality fat, quality fiber, phytonutrients, and a wide range of vitamins, good quality chlorophyll. Sabi nga, it's a food orchestra. So lahat na kailangan ng katawan natin na nutrients would be in spirulina. Now let's go to morinchi. It's made from noni fruit and roselle fruit. So, pinagsama po yung morinchi, noni fruit at roselle dito sa ating morinchi. We cultivate this on our own. It's manufactured in-house. It's rich in natural ingredients. There's no additive, no artificial flavoring, no coloring, and no preservative. So, sa mga hindi pa nakatikim sa morinchi, ang lasa po niyan parang parang sampalok. Similar to sampalok yung lasa niya. Morinda, from the scientific name Morinda citrophilia, it enhances digestion, helps improve blood circulation, helps to neutralize free radicals, helps to support the defense system, and helps to lower the blood pressure. Okay. Ang roselle juice naman po, okay, nakasama nitong morinda, is a natural source of vitamin C. Okay, dito na tayo sa slide na to. Okay, this is roselle. Okay. Nakita niyo po ba yung cursor? yung parang ating mouse. Okay, this is the Roselle that we have. It's two forms. It comes in two forms. You have the Roselle juice at yung ating Roselle candy. This is our natural source of vitamin C, specially made from the extracts of Roselle calices, a herb that contains abundant amount of natural antioxidants such as vitamin C and anthocyanins. It also contains flavonoid, no? Kaya dark yung color niya. Flavonoid, which is good for the heart, and also known as an anti-inflammatory health benefit. Ano po yung kagandahan ng Roselle juice natin at saka yung Roselle candy natin? Nakita ko kanina sa Facebook, no, may mga articles regarding mga different, kasi maraming lumabas na vitamin C ngayon, no, itong COVID, panahon ng COVID, ang daming lumabas na vitamin C. Now, there were some people who tried to remove o tinanggal nila yung laman ng vitamin, yung capsule, no? Kasi the capsules are colored. So when they open it, paglabas nung nakita nila sa loob, parang asin lang, no? So parang hindi sila makapaniwala na yun yung iniinom nila. Though it was explained na kasi sodium ascorbate yung nakalagay, kaya parang may asin, no? So, but there's that doubt kung gaano kadami yung vitamin C na naiinom mo. With our Roselle, what's my point? No? My point is with our Roselle juice and our Roselle candy, you are assured na 100% vitamin C na iniinom nyo. Vitamin C that would not hurt your stomach, would not hurt your gut, no? Hindi magkakaroon ng parang acidity effect in your body. It's very easy to give, lalo na sa mga bata, kasi it could be in a juice or in a tablet form. Ginagawa lang po candy, di ba? Ang Roselle natin. So it's a very good alternative to the locally available na vitamin C. And you are assured that it is 100%. Okay? Now, these are the wide range of food supplements that we have, no? So, daanan ko lang po isa-isa para magkaroon kayo ng idea. Okay, we have the Androgy, Andrographis paniculata. Okay, ito po yung tinatawag natin na natural antibiotic natin. It helps lower blood sugar. It also helps lower the body temperature, no? Kaya parang antibiotic, no? It's also known as a pampurga. According to Dr. Kaakbay, it's better than silimarin. Silimarin, which is known as a vitamin for the liver. So sabi ni Dr. Kaakbay, Androgy is better than silimarin. So it's a very good liver protectant. We also have the Poraya S. Okay, it's also another type of mushroom. It's known as a diuretic, o yung nagtatagal po siya ng excess water sa ating katawan. It also works as a sedative. It helps in our kidney, the health of our kidney. Okay, pampababa din siya ng manas. No? Diba, usually kapag manas, it means excessive yung water sa katawan. No? But since it's a diuretic, yan, pampatanggal siya ng manas. And, ang masarap dun sa kanya, it helps you sleep. Pinapasarap ng Poraya yung inyong tulog. Okay? We also have the potency. Okay, potency is a combination of different herbs, 7 different herbs. It is to have a healthy sex life, and it's also a stress reliever. Okay? Meron din po tayong lion's mane. Okay. Lion's mane is to increase our NGF, o yung nerve growth factor. Napakaganda po ng lion's mane natin for our brain. No, it helps prevent yung Alzheimer's or yung dementia o yung pagiging makakalimutin. It helps in our memory loss and for depression. So, doon sa may mga utang po sa inyo, painumin niyo po ng lion's mane para hindi nila makalimutan yung utang nila sa inyo. Okay, we have the cordyceps. Okay, one of the most expensive mushroom available. Expensive siya kasi mahirap siyang kunin, no? We have our own cordyceps. It helps in the respiratory system for endurance, no? Kaya ito recommended siya sa mga athletes kasi napapahaba niya yung endurance mo, pinapaganda niya yung lungs mo, yung performance ng yung lungs. It also helps in the uric acid. Si cordyceps po, meron din po siya ng vanadium. Okay? Yung vanadium is as effective as insulin. Okay? So, dun sa may mga matataas ang sugar, maganda rin po yung cordyceps. Okay? And it also helps dun sa medyo may mga mababang sperm count. Okay, we have the bee pollen. Ito po yung ating Bee Beautiful health supplement to give you beautiful skin inside and out. Okay, it also improves in the fertility in women, ang bee pollen. It's also excellent source of vitamin B complex and amino acid and enzymes. We also have the black cumin. Ang black cumin po ay kilala bilang miracle seed, lalo na po sa ating mga kapatid na Muslims. It is regarded as the seed of greatest healing. Yan ang tawag nila sa black cumin. It's very good anti-inflammatory, lalo na doon sa may mga arthritis. Okay, so these are the food supplements that we have. Okay, lahat po yan. Okay, ang main kailangan ng body natin, if you're looking for something to drink, to take on a regular basis, you start with the RG and the GL, spirulina and rosette. Yan po yung dapat na laging meron kayo everyday. Now, if you have other concerns, that's the time na you add up kung ano yung mas kailangan ng katawan nyo. If you need more enzyme, there's the morinchi, there's the cardipine, there's the lignopine. If you need for your diabetes, there's cordyceps, there's androgen, there's black cumin. No? So, kung ano yung kailangan ng katawan nyo, pwede nyo idagdag. Okay? Now, let's go to your favorite. Ating mga beverages, ating kape, ang pinakasikat nating produkto. We have our Lingxi 3-in-1 coffee. A coffee on its own is anti-stress. It has a high penetrating power. It has a diuretic effect, and it's a fast consumable food. Now, ano yung maganda dun sa ating kape? Yung ating kape, dinagdagan ng Ganoderma. Okay, so coffee combined with Ganoderma which gives us nutrition, which works as a detoxifier in our body. It is an antioxidant. It is an adaptogen. So, it's rich in enzymes. So, pinagsama silang dalawa. So, lalong na-enhance yung sarap ng coffee with the Ganoderma. So, this when we say healthy coffee, kasi yung effect ng caffeine dun sa kape ay nalilesen because of the Ganoderma. So, dun sa mga iba na kapag umiinom po ng kape na sinisikmura, nahihirapan makatulog, no? The Ganoderma, si Ganoderma po yung medyo nagsuswabe ng effect ng caffeine na yon. So, kapag uminom kayo ng Ganoderma, ng ating Lingxi coffee, kung hindi kayo nakakatulog, mas masasarap yung inyong tulog. Hindi kayo sisikmurain. And those are just some of the benefits that we get from our Lingxi 3-in-1. Marami po dyan na maraming ma-share. Just by drinking the coffee, experience a lot of changes in their body. But coffee being just a beverage, isang inumin lamang. So, yun yung ating masasabi tungkol sa ating kape. We have different varieties of coffee. We also have our cordyceps. Okay. Ang cordyceps coffee naman natin contains cordyceps. No? So, it's specially formulated instant coffee powder added with cordyceps extract. So, kung gusto niyo ng mas extended ang energy ninyo, mas mahaba yung lakas, cordyceps coffee yung para sa inyo. We also have our Kokoshi. Okay. This is our chocolate drink. Pinag-compare siya. Okay. Anong benefits ng Kokoshi? It has nutritional values. It's an antioxidant. It's an alkaline drink. And it's rich in enzyme. So, ano yung features ng Kokoshi? It contains Ganoderma and cocoa, which has an antioxidant property. Cocoa beans from the Theobroma cacao tree. So, it is natural. Okay. Compare ang Kokoshi sa isang carbonated drink or yung soft drinks na alam natin with Kokoshi. Carbonated drink is acidic. It contains free radicals. It is an empty calorie. So it will not give a nutrition to our body. Compared to Kokoshi, it's alkaline. It has no free radicals. It is low in calorie and it will give nutrition to our body. So, doon sa mga bata na hindi pa pwedeng magkape, Or doon sa mga matatanda na mas gusto nila ng chocolate, no? So we have our Tokashi. Now we have our black coffee. Coffee naman po natin. Walang halong sugar ito. It's pure black coffee na merong Ganoderma extract. Okay? So for those of you who would want it strong, sabi nga na, the men in black, no? Pinapromote nila na gusto matatapang na kape. There's no sugar, no milk added in this black coffee. Okay, these are all our food and beverages. Daanan lang po natin isa para bigyan ko lang kayo ng idea. Natatakpan, dito. We have yung ating classic, Lingshi classic coffee. Ito po, if you want your coffee to be creamy, mas madaming milk, mas madaming cream, ito pong Lingshi classic coffee ang inumin ninyo, this one. Then, meron din po tayo ng tea latte. This is a tea mix with Ganoderma extract. So, kung gusto nyo ng rich tea taste, at the same time, it's creamy. Yan, yung tea latte po ang inumin ninyo. We have the white coffee zino. Ito naman po yung katumbas ng cappuccino. So, if you want your coffee foamy, aromatic, mas malinamnam, no? White coffee zino. Then we also have the Z-Mocha. Z-Mocha is a combination of coffee and chocolate. So for those na medyo gusto niyo ng mas combination ng tsokolate at ng kape, yan, we have a Z-Mocha. Ang Z-Cafe naman po natin is mahalin tulad natin sa brewed coffee. Now, it comes in a tea bag. Okay, so inaanuhan din po yan sa mainit na tubig. Yung isang sachet o isang tea bag could be used o pwedeng timplahan to 4 to 5 times. Yung iba, kahit 6, 7 times. Hindi ko alam kung gaano pa kalasa yun. But if you want a brewed taste, we have the Z-Cafe. Meron din tayong Nutri-Z. Okay, this is a soya bean-based drink. Okay, we also have the Lemon Z. Ito naman yung ating lemon beverage. Actually, dito sa packaging makikita nyo, it's with ice, no? Pero sa totoo lang po, masarap po siya mainit ng ating lemon tea. So it's a combination of black tea with lemon. And we also have our, okay, Lingshi Black Coffee Plus. Ito naman po for those who would want na, bakit nawala? For those who would want na ang ating kape black, pero matamis with sugar, no? We have the Lingshi Black Coffee Plus, walang milk. Technical, bakit po nawala yung aking screen? Ayan, asa na po ako? Mag-share screen ba ako ulit? Ayan, okay, sorry. And we have the Z-Mint. Okay, malapit na po tayong matapos. The Z-Mint, ito yung ating candy. Okay, napakaganda nito because it's sugar-free, it's natural, it relieves your throat, no, lalo na po nitong COVID season, no, kapag lumalabas, I would always pop up one Z-Mint para lang siguradong protected yung aking lalamunan. Para magsisimula na mag-start yung dry cough, I pop in one Z-Mint. Okay, next. Bakit ayaw na mag-share na, ayaw na mag-next ng aking slide. Okay, yan. What is good for your stomach is good for your skin. No? So we have our personal care products. We have our E-Series, we have our Aloe V series, and yung ating mga personal care products. Okay, daanan ko lang po itong E-Series kasi wala po tayong another slide for that. Ganoshi E-Series is an all-natural skincare line na ang content po nito puro botanicals, no? So puro halaman together with Ganoderma. So meron po tayong cleanser, we have a toner, we have a day moisturizer with SPF or may sunblock protection, and we also have our night cream. Yan. Personal care products, skin is the largest organ. Dito nagsastart yung detoxification ng ating katawan sa pamamagitan ng ating pawis, no? It's the most neglected organ. It is sensitive to pain and touch. It is protective. and it regulates our body temperature. Now, our body is also exposed to too much toxins, free radicals, chemicals, radiation, and stress. Now, this contributes to the deterioration of our skin aside from its natural aging process. Okay. DXN has a wide range of all natural skincare products, no, and even our personal care products. We have our Aloe V series. This is a complete skincare series from cleanser to mask. O, meron tayo ng Aloe V Cleansing Gel, yung hydrating toner. Yan. We have our Aqua Gel. We have our Nutri Cream, ang ating facial scrub, ating hydrating mask, and of course our Aloe V hand and body lotion. It's all natural, nutrition rich, it's an antioxidant, and it's a pH balancer. This skincare series has aloe vera as its main ingredient. Aloe vera restores the skin's natural defense system because of its hydrating properties. It provides a soothing effect, a moisture barrier, and stimulates cell renewal. Okay. Those the simple lang, we have the Ganashi soap. Okay. This is a pure it's a soap made purely from palm oil. Palm oil and Ganoderma. It is a pH balancer. Okay, skin pH is between 4.5 and 6.5. Ito pong sabon natin, okay, I just like to stress out our personal care products from our soap, our shampoos, and our body foam. Free po sila or wala po silang SLS, SLES, or these are the surfactant na nilalagay sa mga regular shampoo, regular soap, para po siya bumula. So, wag po kayo magtataka na kapag gumamit kayo nitong ating Ganashi soap, hindi po bumubula. No? Nagla-lather up lang siya. Okay? It is because wala po ibang halong ingredient. Kung hindi, ito lalo itong ating Ganashi soap. It's just pure palm oil and Ganoderma. Kaya marami pong gumagamit ng Ganashi soap dati na naiinip kasi matagal siyang maubos. No? So, sabi nga sa sobrang tigas, pwede mong ipampukol sa asawa mong late nang umuwi. So, yung mga lalaki dyan, siguraduhin yung wala kayong Ganashi soap pag late kayo umuwi. Okay, it gently cleanses the skin while preserving the natural oils without damaging the skin structure. It cleanses, softens, exfoliates, nourishes, and refreshes the skin. Next, we have our Ganashi, our DXN Gana Massage Oil. This is made also from 100% pure palm oil with Gana extract. Napakaganda po nito to relieve your tired muscles and your legs. Ginagamit din po siyang pang hot oil treatment sa buhok, sa katawan. It's also a handy first aid treatment. Alam niyo po, ang Pilipino nakakabilib kasi masyado tayong innovative. Yung mga produkto na ginagamit pang specific sa isang bagay, nagagamit natin sa iba't iba, no? But this one, we have the Gana oil. Pwede po natin gamitin itong pangmasahe sa katawan. Okay? Huwag niyo lang po hanapin yung mabangong scent. Since wala po siyang additive, it's just palm oil and the Ganoderma extract. So, hindi po ganun kasarap yung amoy niya. Pero sabi nga nila, ano naman yan eh, napag-aaralan naman, gustuhin yung amoy. So, ang mahalaga is natural yung pinapahid niyo sa katawan ninyo. It's easily absorbed by your body. So, you will notice na hindi ka naman nagmamantika afterwards. Kasi nga, madali siyang inabsorb ng katawan mo. And it's healthy kasi wala siyang harmful ingredient. So, mas maganda po itong gamitin pang masahe. Okay, we have our Ganashi toothpaste. Okay, lahat po ba dito nakagamit na ng ating Ganashi toothpaste? Our Ganashi toothpaste contains no saccharin, no coloring. Kaya kung makikita nyo yung ating toothpaste ay kulay brown. No? Hindi po ibig sabihin ito ay sira. No? The brown color is because of the characteristic of our Ganoderma. Ang toothpaste po natin contains Ganoderma extract, food gel, menthol, and food flavoring. Okay? So, pag sinabing toothpaste, ito po ay pang toothbrush. Okay? Next, these are all For personal care products, isa-isahin ko na lang. We have our body foam. With the name, it connotes it's for the body, no? Pangsabon po natin sa ating katawan. Then we also have the body foam contains vitamin E. Okay, we have also the Ganoshi shampoo which contains vitamin B5. Okay, pareho po yan na brownish in color. Again, that's because of the Ganoderma. So there's no surfactant, so hindi po yan bubula ng maigi. So wag niyo po masyadong, yung iba sobrang dami na nagagamit kasi naghihintay na bumubula, hindi po yan bubula. Okay? And since our products are all natural, there's no chemicals, there's a possibility po na napapanis siya. So make sure na kapag nagbuhos na kayo palabas, if you pour out on your hands, huwag niyo na pong ibalik yung nasobrahan. Kasi kapag basa po yung kamay ninyo, napasukan, nalagyan yung malinis na part ng galot ng shampoo in your body foam, there's a possibility, there's a tendency na mapanis po yung iba. We have a new variety of our shampoo. We have the Ganoshi Plus shampoo. And the same formula but contains conditioner. Yung ating body foam, Ganoshi Plus body foam, ito naman po ay merong moisturizer. So it's an added moisturizing for your skin. We also have our DXN Chubby Baby Oil. Ito naman po is made from sunflower seed oil. So ito medyo mabango kasi amoy siyang sunflower. Amoy siyang flower. So for those you could also use this to remove your makeup, also to massage, and even sa babies, no? Pwede rin ito ating chubby baby oil. And we also have our talcum powder. So ang pulbos, pang-refresh ng katawan. Maganda po sa ating talcum, medyo meron siyang konting, it's a little bit mentholated, so mas nakakapresko ng katawan. We also have our lipsticks. Okay, ang ating Ganoshi lipstick, it contains jojoba oil, so hindi po siya nakaka-dry ng inyong lips. And of course, lastly, we have our household care. Okay. Ang ating po mga household care, we have our dish clean. Ito po yung ating palinis ng plato. All environment friendly po itong ating mga household care products. We have the dish clean. This is also highly concentrated. So yung isang cup pwede nyo i-mix with a liter of water. Ating Pine Clean, sikat na Pine Clean ngayong pandemic season because it's a very good disinfectant, sanitizer, and deodorizer. Napakabango. It's a lot cheaper compared dun sa famous disinfectant na nabibili in the market. Ako po, nagtitimpla ako sa ipang spray. I mix 1 cup with 1 liter of water. Tapos, spray everywhere po. Upuan, lamesa, kama, unan, sa banyo, sa sahig, lahat po sa kainan. No, I spray the Pine Clean, I wipe it out. Yan po yung ginagamit namin disinfectant for the longest time. Ang maganda po sa kanya, napakabango, hindi siya masakit sa ilong, napaka-fresh ng amoy ng inyong bahay. And even sa kotse, yan yung ginagamit namin pan-disinfect ng cars. We have 2 types of panlaba. We have the Dynaclean and the Bershey. Si Bershey is all-purpose detergent powder, so pwede nyo rin siya gamitin panlinis sa kung saan-saan. Then we also have the GT6 Wash and Shine. Ito po yung panlinis ng kotse. One good advantage of the GT6 is pwedeng walang hugas, walang rinse, walang banlaw. No? Pagka-soak nyo ng inyong kotse with the GT6, pwede nyo na lang po siyang punasan ng basahan. So makakatipid ka, it's economical, you don't need to use too much water. And another very important product is the Veggie Clean. Ito po yung panlinis ng ating gulay. No? Very, very important ngayong panahon na ito. Few drops in 1 liter of water. Ibaba niyo po muna doon yung inyong gulay. And you would see, no, yung mga dumi, kulay, uod, nandun sa, maghihiwalay siya doon sa gulay ninyo and sa prutas ninyo. And you would notice na mas nagiging vibrant yung color ng gulay at ng prutas after nyo siyang ibanlawan with the Veggie Clean. Make sure lang na after nyo siyang ibinabad, usually soak it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Pagkababad nyo po, babanlawan nyo pong maigi. bago nyo lutuin or bago nyo kainin yung gulay o yung prutas. Okay? And, meron pa ba? Alright. The DXL products as an MD are all natural. It's for wellness. It is unique of its kind. It's quality premium products. It's highly moving, consumable products. It's reliable. It's affordable. It's a trendsetter. And, pinakamahalaga, it's business-oriented. When we share the goodness of the products and how we benefited from the products, definitely yung mga nakakakwentuhan nyo, nakakausap nyo, would also be interested to use the products na ginagamit nyo. So, pinaka-importante, be a product of the products. So, make sure po na gumamit kayo ng product para ma-experience ninyo, makita ninyo on your own, sa sarili ninyo kung gaano kaganda yung ating produkto. With that, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Let's join hands to promote a healthy and wealthy society. Thank you very much. Good morning po sa inyong lahat.